Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can change WhatsApp wallpaper. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then click any chat. So on top right corner you can see three dots. Click it. Here you can see a list of options. So second last option is wallpaper. So click it. Here you can see four different tabs: bright theme, dark theme, solid colors, and my photos. So you can select from your gallery or you can select from bright, dark, or solid color. So I will open bright colors. So in bright theme you can see different beautiful colors. So I will scroll and find a natural one. I think this one with flowers is fine. So I will click on set wallpaper. So you can see my wallpaper is changed now. You can see a beautiful wallpaper. So I will refresh and I will change it again. Now I will select this a city with blue lights. So I will click set one. So you can see how can I change my wallpaper. So in this way you can change your wallpaper so easily. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.